D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Liebert or Vertiv PDX touchscreen control. So I'm going to be going through settings, options, and I'm going to be putting the unit into test mode. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Now here to display. But before getting to the video, if you have not subscribed, please do so right now and smash that bell icon so when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. Okay, so this is a cooling unit, precision cooling for data room or computer rooms. Here is your compressor. So I'm going to go ahead right now and unlock the keypad. So here we have user, service, and advanced. So in the user, this is what we have. These are your options, and you can click into any one of these items. For example, I could click into set point or set points, and you have temperature control. So I can go ahead and change my temperature set point. I can either use a slider or I can just tap on it and enter the number to the keypad. Okay. Now once you made a change here, you hit save. Okay, hit save and you're done. And there you go. You got a fan control. Alright. You can make a change right here. Okay, and change. You need save. In this case I won't make any change, so I might cancel. Alright, so we're going to go now and go back. Main screen. And we're going to go into service now. If you got questions, leave it in the comment section. And in the service options, you got different options available in service. So let me just go back to user real quick. And then go to the menu. So you see what you have. Graphics, give you graphs of trends, event log, we got alarms. In event log you can see recent activities such as alarms, everything that happened, everything that occurs with the unit. Okay. You got If I hit here, I can turn the unit off, on and off. Right, there you go. I'm gonna do that. What did I do? I just turned the unit off. So let's go back. And you can see, you can hear it shut down. Okay, so we're off. Unit is off. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Turn on. Turn unit on, and it will start up. There you go. So now we go to service, and the password, of course, is 2210. 2210 is the password. And we're going to go into. You still have set points in service, same thing, but you have a little bit more options here. Look at this. You guys actually. You got that, and again fan control. Alarm setup. So I can enable it, disable it, change it from a warning to message to alarm. Okay, you know, hit right there, change the number of delays for the alarm. This is the actual low room temperature set point, which is 60 degrees, and you can change that, key whatever number you want. And then once again, once you're finished with your changes, and that was a crazy number, so I wouldn't take that. 56. Alright, so then you hit save when you're done. I won't hit save because I don't want to change any set points here. What else we got here? Supply air sensor alarms. We got compressor alarms. Compressor on overload. Notification, the same thing. Change the response. Okay. Alright, see what you got. Okay, so we go back here. See the viewer BMS setup. Back out of that. Option setup. Fan settings. Compressor settings. See what we got here in this list. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my favorite setting. My favorite option here, and this is this one here, Diagnostics. This is where you go when you want to see more detailed operation or information about the system. So I go now, operator fan status, it's on. And We're doing at 43 right now. Let's see if I can speed it up to 100% and press save. Didn't accept. But it will accept it once I go into manual mode. Okay, compressor. See what's going on. All the sensors are good. See right here, all of them is good. High pressure, low pressure. Okay, all my sensors are good. Compressor is off right now, it shows you. Got my pressures here. Suction pressure, discharge pressure. This unit has pressure transducers. Okay. So this is in Diagnostics. Lots of information here. Heat rejection. It's your condenser section. This is water cooled, so you got ball valves, motorized ball valves to control water flow through the unit. Digital inputs or outputs rather. Analog outputs. So the fan is doing. These are not used on here. Cooling has been used right here. That's number 3. See what's going on. That's your condenser motorized ball valve that controls the flow of water. Is currently at 0. Okay, pretty nice. All right, so let's go back and do some manual operation. Actually, do I need to shut down? So I'm gonna go evaporator fan. I'm gonna go turn that on, and I'm gonna go 75, 76. Save. My fan started up. Okay, so I'm gonna put my fan at 50%, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn my compressor on. I think once you give it a percentage, all these will turn on automatically. Let's give it a shot and see. save. Run. Alright, let's just do this then. And okay, so it did works. It did accept it. There we go. So the input just gotta give it a while, a little bit, for it to, initiate. And you can see the capacitor control solenoid. It's right here. This is the capacitor control solenoid. Let me increase the capacity. Here's your pressures, your low and high side pressures, suction and discharge. Let's go to 100% cooling. Now note that the capacity control solenoid does not activate once you're in 100% cooling, it just stays off. Here's our pressures, and we can look at our motorized ball valve for a condenser, and we can see that it's now open to 64%. We can turn our fan up, evaporator fan, and put it to 100%. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to regular operation. Everything looks good here. Literally, I just checked my cooling. Get it back. That's it. So we're gonna go back. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. I do upload videos on a weekly basis.